Bubba. Look at Bam. 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 What was that? Is that lightning? Is that lightning? Is that lightning, Bubba? Yeah. Oh boy.
Okay. Save us, Bam. You're attacking all the bugs here. There's no way a bug can even come near us. They can blow away.
Yeah, they're getting blown away, man. Hey, Bubba.
Go get them. That wind's gonna be going 45 miles an hour. I haven't had a single bug.
Dude, like when I was driving out here, it was like really windy. It was pushing my truck over. Like, if you look over on that side, it's like the clouds are really down. No.
Just wind?
Just really windy.
Huh.
The clouds are really low, too. Are we still under the tornado watch?
Really? Yeah. It's probably a bad idea to be out here, huh?
It's so cool. It's like picking up though.
God, you can't figure out why it should be like raining right now. It is.
It's like sprinkling but not. Is it right over us?
Yeah.
That's gotta be like what, 25-mile-an-hour wind? Like gushes?
We should be like right on the cusp of it. There's